Welcome to the non-registered investments page. In this video, we'll walk through all the steps to accurately add all the details surrounding your non-registered investments. If you do have non-registered investments, select yes and input the current total value. If you have multiple non-registered investments, please add and combine their total value and input this here. You then need to input the book value, meaning how much did you purchase these non-registered investments for. We'll then use this to calculate any taxes if and when you start withdrawing from your non-registered investments. Please add the combined total book value of your non-registered investments. Next, indicate what you've done with your non-registered investments so far this year. If you've contributed or made any investments, please indicate you have and input that dollar value. If you've made any withdrawals from your non-registered investments, select withdraw and input the value. If you've done both or neither, please select from the drop-down menu. Next, select the growth rate you'd like to simulate your non-registered investments growing year over year. If any of your non-registered investments are dividend-bearing or provide income within the investment, please select yes. The table will then allow you to input your unique situation. Whether your dividends are eligible, non-eligible, or foreign, you can input the dollar value on an annual basis that's paid out as a dividend. You can then manually adjust whether you're taking it all home as income or whether you're going to be reinvesting those dividends. Once all required fields are completed, select Save or Next to continue. Now, for those users who are running the analysis with their spouse, repeat these steps for your spouse's details. At the bottom of the non-registered page, you have the ability to indicate if you have a joint non-registered account. If you do have a joint non-registered account, select Yes, and input the required information, repeating with the same steps as above. At the bottom of the joint non-registered account page, there's a specific section for taxes. This is based on how you both contribute into the joint non-registered account and accurately calculating any taxes if and when you start withdrawing from the account. Now, when answering the question about how you've contributed into the joint non-registered account, we're looking at what you've done in the past. This will allow us to accurately calculate the taxes. Any future contributions, our algorithm can accurately calculate them, but we need to know what's happened so far. Now, if you've equally split 50-50, select 50-50 split. If it hasn't been a 50-50 split, select custom split and input the percentage breakdown of how you've contributed into the joint non-registered account historically. Once all required fields are completed, select Save or Next to continue.